Slow down, son. Slow down, son. Get it off the belt. Slow down, son. Get in the belt. Come on. Thank you, brother. Hey, man. I recognize you. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Keep that fight up. You chased off that fucking Arizona. I'm on the sidewalk. What's wrong with you? Oh, I was not moving. I was on the sidewalk. Shut up, dude.
Oh, sorry.
Shut up, boy. Longer pants, how about that? Shut up, boy. Shut up, boy.